channel. What's up? It's your girl PeachyLorry, back at it again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing my makeup. I'm doing a Valentine's Day look for you guys. Also, I'm going to be posting this look on my makeup page, so make sure you follow my makeup page at LookswithLorry. I will be posting a Valentine's Day series leading up to Thursday on there. I have a couple looks in mind, but today I think I'm going to start off kind of simple. I attempted to do a look like on Friday and I hated it, so that's why I've been MIA from my makeup page. So today's gonna be kind of a chit chat, get ready with me type video. I just want to talk about why I've been missing from YouTube, why I haven't been posting once again, why I just been a horrible YouTuber once again. Just want to give y'all an update on my life, what's been going on, and you know, what have you. So I'm gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna prime my lids. I like to prime my lids with concealer, so I'm using this Makeup Revolution concealer that I got by accident. It's in the shade C7. I got it thinking that it was going to be a good under eye concealer color for me, but it is a little too light for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids. I don't know, usually I work on one eye at a time, but lately I've been doing both eyes at once. So I think today, just so this video isn't super long, I will be doing both eyes at once. So to blend out the base put on my eyeshadow on my eyelid, I like to use this little brush to just blend that out. And the palette I'm going to be using today is, of course, the James Charles. This is the palette everybody be using. It has all the colors in it. It's just like the Morphe 35B, which I also have. But for some reason, I'm reaching for this more than my Morphe. For some reason, I don't... He took over. But this is the palette I'm going to be using today for my looks. My look. So, today I'm going to talk about where I left off of before I took another YouTube break. So if I remembering clearly, the last thing that was really going on with my channel was that I was talking about how like school wasn't going well for me, how I didn't really know what I wanted to do in school, etc, etc. I feel like that's the general last couple of videos I posted on my channel. So update on that. Yes, I did change my major, like I said, to communications, and it's been going really well so far. But I had to wait until this semester to even, you know, start doing any communication related stuff. So that semester, last semester, was really not good for me. So yeah, I was so unhappy, just really just living, existing, sad all the time, very depressed time of my life. It was even worse because I really didn't have anyone to talk to about it. I couldn't talk to my like parents about it. Like, for one, my parents don't even know that my major has been changed, and it's now February. It's been changed since I mentioned it on that YouTube video. I'm taking classes and everything. So as far as they know, I'm still doing software engineering, but not really. And it sucks because when I'm around my family, like I just recently went home for like my cousin's 16th birthday party, and there was a bunch of people who I haven't seen in a really long time, and they were all like, so how's the computer classes going, you know? Some people still think I'm doing nursing. Like, it's just so stressful having to explain to people like, I'm sorry guys, college isn't what I thought it was going to be. I don't like things as much as I thought I was going to like them, so please bear with me as I figure life out. It feels almost weird to be like doing this on camera. I'm so used to just like doing my looks with like Netflix or like my music playing, and then taking a couple pics and posting them on my makeup page and then calling it a day. But now like I'm actually like filming what I'm doing. You guys are seeing me in my creative process. So back to last semester. Yeah, it was just a really bad semester. I mean, I did not fail. I didn't fail any of my classes last semester. So if you have a lab, sometimes maybe your lab instructor does lab makeups, but mine didn't. So I was doing really well, and she allowed like one lab grade to be dropped or whatever. And one day I missed class because I had something to do. Like I was either sick or I had something to do that was like important. So I had to miss a class, but just my luck. When you miss class, you can't turn in the lab from the last class, and you also can't do the lab for the current class. So it's kind of 2 zeros right there, and you're only allowed one dropped grade. So that's where I kind of messed up. So that happened towards the end of the semester. So I was emailing her, begging her, like I was sick, like I really couldn't come to class, blah blah blah. And she was like, sorry you got sick, but there's no makeups. So I got a D in that class, and I wanted to cry. Okay, that's how I knew that the STEM field, the nursing field, wasn't for me, because those professors are ruthless. But now I'm about to cut my crease slightly, not like a little, not that, but like, you know, half cut. I'm gonna go back in with the same concealer, and I'm gonna take this flat brush, this right here. By the way, I moved on to the JC Cosmetics Katrina palette. This palette isn't like super popular. They're like kind of a smaller brand, but yeah, I see them all over Instagram, in the makeup, in the beauty world, in the beauty Instagram world. I'm just using it for this really cute icy shade that I'm putting on my lid. Why am I not focused today? I'm supposed to be talking about why I like been missing from YouTube mainly, which was mentioned in another video that will be going up probably before this one, but I didn't have the right equipment to be doing YouTube. And even though a lot of people do YouTube with their phones, like iPhone 6s, 7s, that's great and so all, but like I don't think my videos were lit enough to attract an audience based off of my quality. Like I was just doing like vlogs and like talking and makeup tutorials and stuff, but I just feel so much more professional now that I have an actual camera and setup, because it's like I'm actually investing in this now, so I feel just a little bit better about everything YouTube related. Also, again, piggybacking off of like my major and stuff, I was so unhappy that doing videos was the last thing on my mind. Like I didn't want to film videos, I didn't want to do any of that stuff, so I just didn't. But over this like white icy shadow, I'm gonna use this loose pigment from the Blush Tribe. So of course I have to buff out these scratches at the edge. So I'm taking that brush that I used to pat on the so after I spray that on my face, I like to take my e.l.f. hydrating primer. This is really old, and I just do a couple pumps. One pump right there. Ooh, God. Right here. And this is a really silicone based primer, so It might not be your favorite. I kind of have dry skin, so really tacky, silicone-y, liquidy, like primers like this that you can literally feel, kinda, in a way. It's hard to explain. Are my favorite. When it comes to doing my makeup looks for like pictures and stuff and for my Instagram page, I tend not to always use like foundation because I feel like it's a waste, especially if I'm going to wipe it off right after this. So I'm using my, this might have been on my channel in the past because this is so old, my BB cream, Maybelline, and I just squeeze some and dot it on my face. After I'm done with my BB cream and all, I like to use a concealer. Any concealer really that I'm feeling for the day. Today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the regular NARS Radiant dupe. Just going to be putting that under my eye. After that, I realized I just stopped talking because I don't know what to talk about anymore. After that, I go in with my bronzer. This is from the Kylie line that like just dropped, I believe. And I like to take an angled fluffy brush. This is in the shade Almond, by the way. As you can tell, I'm really pale, so I like to add some warmth back to my face after putting on pale foundation and pale concealer. So I just line. Usually I skip this part, but not with this look. This look needs some color on the lower line. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on. Okay, so now I'm going to put on some blush, which is something I rarely ever do. This is the Too Faced Love Blush in Justify My Love. Ooh, yay, finally. But even this camera is just not, it's not showing it up as it needs to show. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please give this video a like and thumbs up if you want to see more makeup tutorials. Also, if you do want to see more makeup tutorials, please give me something to talk about, because as you can tell, I don't really have anything to talk about. So if you want like story times, personal questions, things like that for me to talk about in my videos, go ahead, right ahead, I will do them. I also will do more makeup tutorials if you guys respond well to this video, so just let me know down in the comments or give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. It will be linked down below. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.